Hi everyone, today I've got something really cool to show you. These are the 1998 exclusive premiere Casablanca dolls. Humphrey Bogart as Rick and Ingrid Bergman as Ilsa. These are 9-inch dolls. They are item number 12034. I'll show you a little bit of them in the box because the box is very, very cool. And then I'll open them and show you the dolls on the back of the card. The dolls are fully posable figures with display stands. That's really cool. I like that. Then over here on this side, they're limited edition dolls. They are collector series. You can see a hang tag here on Ingrid Bergman's wrist. It says authorized limited edition. Here's the back of the box. It's really cool. I love the graphic from the movie. This was a black and white movie. Here's some information about the manufacturer and the rights to these characters. They also have a website, www.exclusivepremiere.com, if you want to check that out. And then there's Velcro on the back. You can open it up here, and it folds out to a couple other scenes from the movie. Very, very nice. This is an iconic scene right here between the two of them. Here are the dolls with the outer box removed. I still have them attached to the backdrop. You can see in the background there's a scene, another scene from the movie. These are super cool dolls. I love their look from the 1930s, 1940s. Here's the stands. These are stands that are similar to the white Christmas dolls that I have. They might be manufactured by the same company. I'm guessing they are because of the look of the stands. I'll do a video of that around Christmas time this year. But on this one, the stands say Casablanca. They're just flat stands. They're attached, but it's not really something you can stand the dolls on. So the white Christmas dolls I have, I use regular doll stands for them, and then I just keep their stands like this in the box. Now let's take a look at Ingrid Bergman, Ilsa. There's her face. She's pretty. She's got this cool hat and kind of a safari look, I think, with her jacket. But I think it's just a fashion from the 40s. It's got metal snaps. It can be removed. And then she's got this white shirt underneath and a matching skirt to the jacket, a pencil skirt. It doesn't look like her shoes are removable. No, they're part of her mold. They look like low heel pumps. They're shiny black. I'd like to remove them to see their movement, but I don't want to do that because I don't want to disattach them from the box. My son got me these for Mother's Day, and I want to keep them really nice in the box. So I'm not going to remove them, but just remember that the front of the box says they're fully posable figures. So I'm guessing that they move quite a bit. You can place them in a range of positions. Here's the tag I was telling you about on her wrist. Exclusive premiere on one side. Authorized limited edition. Character collectible series on the other. And then Humphrey Bogart as Rick. He's got the traditional fedora hat on. He's got his tan overcoat on with the belt tied at the waist. He's got 4 plastic buttons. Ilsa has 2 plastic buttons. He's got a suit on underneath the coat. You can see it's a gray suit with tie. He's fully dressed. Check that out. You can even see the end of the sleeve here from the suit showing underneath the sleeve of the overcoat. Here's his pants and his, I think those are called wingtop shoes. He's really cool. It looks like he's waving. It looks like she's waving. This is the scene, I think, where they were leaving, and there's a plane in the background. These are so cool. I love the look of these dolls. As I said, they're 9 inches. Let me get the ruler out and show you. There's Rick. He's actually a bit smaller than I thought. When I measured them from the front, it was 9 inches, but it looks like he's more like probably 8 inches. And then with the hat on, he reaches about 9 inches. And Ingrid Bergman is also about 8 inches and about 8.5 inches with her hat on. These are such cool dolls. I'm so happy to have them. I'm happy that my son bought these for me for Mother's Day this year. I love them, and I'm so happy to add them to my collection. I hope you like them. If you do, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And I'll see you next time with more cool stuff. Thanks for watching.